Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set a password on Rednote. Simply click the three lines on the upper left hand side and go to your settings. Here click on account security, and here you'll find the option that says password. You will see set, so tap on set, and all you have to do is just enter password and confirm it, and it should be 6 to 16 characters. I want to mention to you that while you don't understand what this is saying, follow the general rule of making sure that you have uppercase characters, lowercase characters, numbers, and even special characters. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a password real quick and go ahead and enter uppercase letters, numbers, and characters as well. So once you go ahead and enter the password that you are satisfied with, utilizing, let's say, numbers, special characters, and lowercase letters, and so forth, you want to go ahead and tap on done, and you should see that the password is set. So now you can always go back at any point in time, and basically it will log you out of the app and you can sign in. It's going to ask you to either verify or log in with password. You tap on login with password. You just want to go ahead and tap on password there, and you want to go ahead and enter the password that you set, right? So once you type in that, you should be able to log in. Just simple tap on done, simple tap on agree, and you will be required as well, guys, to basically verify your account once more. So you will most likely need to enter your phone number just again. So I'm going to simple enter my phone number again. Now once you go ahead and enter your phone number, simple tap on login, and you want to go ahead and click on agreed and continued, and you will need to enter that code once it is resent to you. Now once the code comes, just simple tap on the code there and you will be logged right back in. And that's basically it. So if you want to set up a password for safety, just simply click the three lines in the upper left hand side, go to settings, tap on your account security, and you can find a password. And that's it. Very easy and very simple, guys.